In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to seamlessly transfer data from Google Sheets to Google Docs. Let's get straight into it. First things first, open up Google Sheets where you have the data that you want to copy over to Google Docs. Once you have your desired spreadsheet opened up, you'll need to select the specific data range or cells that you want to transfer. You can do this by clicking and dragging with your mouse or touchpad over the desired cells. Once you've highlighted the data you need, it's time to copy it. You can easily do this by right-clicking within the selected area and choosing Copy from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, you could press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac if you prefer using shortcuts. This action prepares your selected data for the next step, which is moving it to Google Docs. Now let's head over to Google Docs. Open up the Google Docs document where you want to paste your copied data. If you don't have an existing document ready, you can easily create a new one by navigating to the Google Docs homepage and clicking on the plus sign or the blank document option. With your document open and ready, navigate to the spot where you want to insert the data. Click on that area to set your cursor, ensuring that what you paste will land exactly where you expect it to be. Now it's time to paste your data. Like before, you have a few options. You can right-click in the document and select Paste from the menu. Alternatively, utilize the shortcut Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V for Mac to quickly paste your data into the document. Once you've pasted your data, Google Docs might prompt you with an option to either link the data to the spreadsheet or to paste it unlinked. Linking the data means that any updates to the spreadsheet will automatically update the table in your document. This is extremely helpful if you anticipate changes or want your document to reflect the most current data without having to repeat this process. If you prefer this option, click Link to Spreadsheet. However, if your data is final and you don't expect any changes, you might opt for Paste Unlinked. This will paste the data as a static table, which is not connected to the original spreadsheet. Finally, after deciding on whether to link or not, click Paste to complete the process. And just like that, your data is now in Google Docs. It's really as simple as that. This method ensures that your work remains efficient and organized, connecting your Google Productivity Suite apps in a way that works best for you. Congratulations, and you're all